Check out this huge primary in this 4-bed, 3-bath Lavelle made by Cavco. Alright, so check this out. This is in the primary bedroom. The master bedroom has a dedicated area for a sofa and a dedicated watching area. And you know what that's for, gentlemen? That is for whenever you are ready to go, but you're waiting on the family to get ready to get out the door. Just kidding, but this thing is huge. This is easily a king size bed. Could fit a California king, any size, maybe even one of those Alaskan kings. This thing is giant, tons of space, and this is just the primary bedroom. All right, it looks like like a suite at a hotel. And then check out this spa. I mean, it's not even a primary bathroom. It's like a giant spa, double doors, soaking tub, huge walk-in shower. Looks like a triple mirror sink, dual dual sink, his and hers, and the built-in space, giant closet, giant closet. I mean, this thing is its own other room. Look at that, tons of built-in space. I mean, if you cannot figure out how to fit your shoes and your clothes in here, there's something else going on. All right, and again, we are in the primary bedroom. The master bedroom has all of this space, and we haven't even toured the rest of the house. So imagine having a nice little area, maybe even like a dedicated coffee bar just in your primary bedroom. In this triple wide La Belle by Cavco. This one is located in Austin, Texas. But let's look at this layout so you get a better idea of what you're looking at. All right. So like I said, this is La Belle. And by the way, my name is Jesus. I'm documenting the top selling houses across the entire country in the manufactured lineup in the mobile home and manufactured real estate business. Okay. So my name is Jesus, and if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe so you're notified when a new video drops. But let's get back to this layout. So this is La Belle, 3 bathroom, 4 bedroom by Cavco. Oh, and by the way, we're one take, no edits. So if I make mistakes, if I end up mispronouncing, you can make fun of me. But what I like to do is do it in one take, so I am not taking up your time and wowing you with edits and shots that aren't realistic of what the house looks like. I mean, we walk it and you get my reaction in real time. So we have a bedroom, 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 likely an office, probably like a flex room, and then a giant dedicated open living space. All right, this is what it looks like, and then this is a view of what it looks like from the outside. Also, tons of porch space. You get that good deck space here as well. So this thing is huge. La Belle by Cavco out of Austin, Texas. Let's get back to walking it. All right, so we are going to go back and start in the primary area. So it has like almost like a grand opening when you walk in. It's huge, it's airy, there is tons to see, and this is the front door, just so you know, and so you get your reference right. All right, so large living room area. You can fit, tons of people here, couches, L couch, or just sectionals, whatever you prefer. Then you have 2 bedrooms right here, all huge. Again, this is a triple wide, almost 3,000 square feet. All right, and check out this bathroom. That's that shared bathroom, probably for the kids, maybe the guests. All right, so you have this dedicated living space, dedicated dining space. You have the farmhouse doors that separate the other sitting area. But if you're entertaining, if you're having a party, if you're having people over, maybe for the holidays, you can leave those doors open so everybody can hang out, be in the conversation, be part of whatever's going on at the event. Huge island. These are wide set chairs. I mean, if you did like the narrower kind of like stool chairs, you could easily sit 4. And if you get ambitious, you want to wrap around the side here, we do it all the time. You can get 6, maybe 8 people, so tons of area here. And then you have residential fridge here, and I've actually seen, don't quote me on this, I don't know if they offer this, but I have seen like the industrial size, like restaurant style fridge here. You get the built-ins, you get tons of counter space, built-in microwave. Oh, it's pretty funny. Guy that was probably setting up his Matterport, he got himself in the shot here. I always love when that happens. All right, now this is that dedicated office space, and I love this. I love to be able to come and come over to this office and have a situation where you're able to, just knock out paperwork, knock out, a quick video, knock out a quick recording, edit something, and just be done with it. Get out of the way. There is a pillar here, and it's because it's a three-sectional, you have to make sure that there are pillars that support the structure, so you don't get that full open space. I'm not just going to give you the good parts. There's also some drawbacks, but that's part of having a triple wide, and you're not actually paying for the stick built price, but you are going to have the dividing pillars and some of the dividing lines, marriage lines. Now let's keep going here. Let's go to the sitting room. This is the sitting room, second living room, you could call it. Again, just nice entertaining space. And now this is the laundry / utility room and the back door. Now we're going to go this way and head into the bedrooms. There's another bedroom on this side. This is that bedroom, but really more like a flex room office area. This one is actually smaller, so if you wanted to have like a second office or a dedicated area for guests, maybe like something that you don't always use. And then you have your guest bathroom here. Again, this is a 4-bed, 3-bath, a true 3-bath, by the way. So it's not just a 2.5 bath. It's a true 3-bath. Sorry, tongue twister. And you get back into that giant primary bedroom here. The giant primary again, and look at this thing. I mean, you have a sitting area in your own primary bedroom. So like you can essentially have a third living room, which is the primary one. And again, I'll walk you quickly through this primary space, but I mean, it is huge. It is huge. It is like it looks like it's like a third of the house. Even though it's like in this L configuration, it's almost like its own section. And you'll see it a lot of times with these triple wides is like one section of that triple wide, or almost a third, 33% of the space is dedicated just to the primary area, because I mean that's what people want, right? You want that large primary area, and if this is a house that you're going to see as more of a forever home, I mean triple wides are more of a all right, I'm getting settled down. I want that big space. I want to be able to entertain, and this is just a beautiful house called Belle by Cavco. Again, if you want to see this series where we are documenting the top selling houses all over the country, go ahead and give me a subscribe. My name is Jesus, and if you want to talk to me directly, you can find my information in the description of the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.